So as I'm walking in the rain back from the gym, I started thinking about one of my most favorite studies. Don't know why it didn't get more publicity. Really should have been on billboards and TV commercials. Took place in Taiwan about 10, 12 years ago. A lot of people, I forget, over 100,000 people. Broke them up into people who walked every day, jogged every day, or ran every day. Follow them for several years. Come to the conclusion, if you walk for just 15 minutes a day, every day, that leads to about not a 3% here, the rain's getting to me, 3 extra years of life on Earth. Think about that. I know of no drug that'll give you an extra lease on life of 3 years. I remember many years ago there was some lung cancer drug they heralded on primetime TV, made it seem like it was the second coming of Jesus. 3 months, that's all you got, 3 months on that drug. Walking 3 more years of life on Earth. Again, you saw greater benefits in people who jogged and ran, but it was statistically significant at just 15 minutes of walking. That's an hour and 45 minutes of walking each day. That's, again, less than what is normally recommended by the United States government. So take a walk, even in the rain right now. My phone's getting soaked, I'm getting soaked, but I made it to the gym, and at the end of the day, that's what counts.